Joining two lengths of netting can be easily achieved using crimp sleeves and the crimp tool. The wire is cut with enough length remaining on each piece of net to allow joining. The wire is then straightened to allow crimp sleeves to be slotted on. The sleeves are positioned on the first piece of net, and the other piece of the netting is then pushed through the sleeves. Repositioning the sleeves to ensure the two pieces of net are square will give an even pull when the net is tensioned. The crimp tool is then used to crimp the sleeves from one side to the other, usually about 3 or 4 times to ensure a good tight join. Any excess wire is then trimmed.